Hello, welcome to Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And if you want, meron tayong natal chart na astrological reading na available ngayon. If you want to know kung ano yung career na magmamatch para sa'yo, saan mo mamimit yung future husband and wife mo, who will be the person in your future. Yan. Eto na lang, paki-screenshot na lang guys. And kung gusto mong magkaroon ng, kung gusto mo ng ibang mode of payments like GCash, possible naman yan. Mag-message ka na lang dun sa inilagay na, doon, email address. I-screenshot mo na lang yung pinaka-message. Yeah. Let's start. This is for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You do over the Page of Swords. Air sign. This is you, air sign. Page of Swords. Ace of Swords. And then bottom of the deck is the Ace of Cups. You're thinking about someone. And I feel like itong person na to could be, I don't know if a new person or past person, pero nakikita natin na you do love this person with the Ace of Cups. And maybe there's this feeling na pwedeng attracted ka sa kanya, gusto mo siya. But the Three of Swords is showing us like maybe third-party connection na involved sa inyo. So, pwedeng attracted ka sa someone who is already committed. And with the Wheel of Fortune, maybe you want changes pagdating sa connection niya. And or maybe you are also committed. Pwedeng committed ka rin. But anyway, someone here is committed. Hindi ko lang masabi kung ikaw or siya. But with the Devil, I feel like this is a toxic connection. So, pwedeng committed ka, pero toxic yung connection mo with that person. Or, yung person na ito is committed, pero alam mo na toxic yung connection nila. Maybe there's children na involved, because I can see children. Or, ikaw ito na parang, ayaw mo na muna. Iniisip mo siya, pero parang hindi mo kayang harapin mo na itong connection ninyong dalawa. Like, anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with? Air sign. Sino tong person na kakonect mo? Air sign. You do have the Six of Cups and the Chariot, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Major Arcana, the Chariot. Parang may nagpatay ng ilaw. This could be a reading. And with the Eight of Coins is here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ang person na kakonect mo is someone who is taking control kind of energy. Siya yung nagkakontrol ng connection na ito. This person is thinking of you. Gusto ko niyang panoorin. Something in you. Na maybe your post sa social media, nakikita niya. Gusto niya panoorin. Gusto kanya makita. Gusto kanyang tignan. More on social media. More on post mo. But if you are not active sa posting maybe your pictures, gusto niya makita yon. And this person is thinking of you kahit siya ay nasa trabaho or nasa career. Or maybe your message, if you are having conversation, or maybe in the past, conversation niya in the past, may mga bagay na mahirap hindi isipin, lalo na yung mga bagay na sinabi mo in the past. Or mga pinost mo. Yeah, something to do with you na may pinost or maybe shinare sa kanya. Anyway, naiisip niya yun. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. The Star. I feel like some of you, gusto mo siya pero ayaw mo siyang gustuhin. Lalo na nga kung may third party na involved or lalo na kung may children na involved. Tinatry mong wag siyang isipin, pero alam mong gusto mo siya, pero ayaw mong gustuhin siya. The Six of Swords, you're trying to move on, you're trying to focus on the Hermit, Virgo energy. Tinatry mong mag-i-isolate ang sarili mo. tinatry mong, pakinggan yung guides mo, yung angel guides mo, spirit guides mo. Especially yung iba sa inyo, maybe you do know something about tarot, or nagpa-tarot reading ka in the past. So, pwedeng ito nagiging guide mo ito, or maybe nakaka-relate ka sa mga tarot traders dito sa YouTube, and you're using this as a guide, and for now, yung guide mo is telling you not to think about this person, focus on yourself, focus on your goals, focus on your dreams. So dahil lang doon, yung powerful na message na yun for you is this is what you're focusing right now. Kaya oo, naisip mo siya, gusto mo siya, pero ayaw ko muna, parang ganun. Hindi muna, dapat mag-move on muna ako. So that's you focusing on moving on. So anong emotion ng taong ito towards you? Okay, so this person, you do have the King of Wands and the Eight of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit. You touch this person's heart. There's something in you, sinabi mo, ginawa mo, na pwedeng na-touch siya doon. So, mahirap para sa kanya na hindi ka isipin, na hindi ka maalala kahit pa nasa work siya, nasa career niya siya. And this person is really, hindi niya ma-ignore sa sarili niyang gusto ka niya. And this person, attracted siya sa'yo. Pero maybe masyado siyang busy for now. And also at the same time, pwedeng nakafocus siya sa kanyang appearance, sa kanyang sarili. Alam niyang hindi mo siya magugustuhan, hindi siya bagay sa'yo. Feeling niya hindi siya bagay sa'yo. Especially pagdating sa usaping career, maybe this person sees you as someone na magaling, matalino, or maybe you are too young para sa kanya. Or maybe nakikita kanya as someone na this person sees you as the star. Parang kailangan kong ayusin muna ang sarili ko kung gusto kong mapalapit sa'yo. Parang ganun. But anyway, if there's a third party na involved, this person is pwedeng masaya naman din siya sa kanyang connection. Pero hindi, alam niya na mas may isasaya pa siya pag ikaw. Okay? So what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? I will not take this. You do have here the Ten of Swords. Hindi ko kukunin yun, masyadong marami. Ten of Swords is clarified with the Ace of Wands and the Page of Coins. So, in the near future, clarify the Two of Wands and the Nine of Wands. The High Priestess is here and the Fool. By the way, this particular card is sira. Sira talaga siya. Pero tinitiis ko siyang gamitin kasi favorite ko tong card na to. I like the message. And I like the picture. So anyway, the Ten of Swords, nakita tayo ng ending in the near future pagdating sa'yo. You're ending your connection pagdating sa person ito. And lalo na nga kung may children na involved, no? Parang ayoko na, tama na. The Ace of Wands is you na nagpo-focus ka na lang sa mga bagay na dapat mo pang ayusin, or maybe there's a new beginning pagdating sa money, career. So you're focusing on this. Kung ano man ito, maybe it has something to do with your money, your career, your skills, your maybe someone is going to offer you something na may kinalaman sa career, or this is you na maybe a career in the past ang kailangan ayusin, paganahin, lagyan ng aksyon ang patungkol doon. So this is you, focus on that. And nakita tayo dito na Swords. Pagdating sa connection mo with your person, nakaka-stress, I want to end this, ayoko na. Okay, that's your energy. You're ending your connection with your person. So, itong person na to with the High Priestess, nakikita natin, maybe there's a spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. And with the Nine of Wands, The more na nagkakaroon ng problema sa sitwasyon niya, the more na na-realize niya with the Two of Wands kung gaano ka kahalaga. And with the Fool, nakakita tayo na pagtitake ng risk dito sa person na to, lalo na hindi niya ma-deny sa sarili niya na may something in you na medyo mahirap, medyo intense, medyo mahirap kalimutan. Hindi niya, there's a lot of desire pagka gusto dito sa person na to, and this person is coming back. I feel like this person is coming back kasi hindi niya kaya or hindi niya gusto yung sitwasyon niya with the 5 of Coins. With the Justice card, I feel like some of you may marriage na involved sa inyong dalawa. And with the Hermit, akala niya magiging masaya siya sa sitwasyon niya, hindi pala. In reality, ikaw pa rin talaga ang gusto niya. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.